Demand. Strongly ask. They demand answers. Comfortable. Relaxed, at ease. This chair is comfortable. Compare. Look at differences. Compare the prices. Allow. Let someone do something. They allow phones in class. Choose. Pick. Choose a color. Encourage. Support. I encourage you. Concern. Worry. I have a concern. Consider. Think about. Consider my idea. Argue. Disagree strongly. They argued about money. Behavior. Way of acting. His behavior was rude. Experience. Something lived. It was a good experience. Fact. True information. That's a fact. Fail. Not succeed. I failed the exam. Feature. Important part. This phone has many features. Focus. Pay attention. Focus on your work. Include. Contain. The price includes tax. Increase. Go up. Prices increased. Individual. Single person. Each individual matters. Movement. Action. The movement was fast. Necessary. Needed. It's necessary.